Hello, hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and today we're going to demonstrate a turning project that has been a Legacy customer favorite for the past 30 years, and that is the hammerhead walking cane. To kick things off, we're going to start with the hammerhead portion of this project. Now, this shape is very unique. It has an asymmetrical shape, so we needed to mount the blank slightly off-center to make this part work. We'll combine both turning and multi-sided machining capabilities to make this happen. Originally, the hammerhead was programmed using the same types of toolpath techniques shown in this cutting demonstration. The main difference is that we had to break up each side into separate programming files, and you would run each one consecutively to make this entire part take place. If one understood the G-code well enough, they could combine all of these files into one, but that was an advanced technique that not everybody could do. In this component, we are able to take all of the 3-axis milling procedures that are done on separate sides and import them into Legacy's Conversational CAM Pro software, where it automatically combines and indexes and rotates the part from one side to the next so that we can run this as a single program file. This makes this once advanced technique of combining programs into one something that's very simple and straightforward for any person to handle. On top of the software making it easier to program, the biggest advantage that we have is this shape. Even though it has a bunch of curves and unique shapes to it, none of the areas are being carved, but we are using the advantage of cutter profile shapes to machine every single edge. Not only is this way faster than carving, but we also get a much cleaner finish that requires less sanding. Altogether, this part took less than 15 minutes using 5 different cutters. The cane portion of this project is using our traditional turning capabilities also found in Legacy's Conversational CAM Pro software. These turning techniques include turning round, turning with tool profile shapes, spiral cuts, and contour turning. Any of these turning techniques can be applied to both straight and tapered surfaces. Here we can see Legacy's unique tapering axis adjusting the turning center on an angle. This makes it so the taper is once again parallel to the cutter surface so that we can turn this quickly with a very smooth finish. Without this taper adjustment, these tapered sections would take at least 3 times longer to produce using our traditional turning methods. Other 4-axis turning centers would actually approach this entire turning by 3D carving the entire thing, which is 12 times slower than these turning techniques. Altogether, this spindle also took less than 15 minutes to produce. Our ability to produce multi-sided and turning capabilities, both on straight and tapered surfaces, sets Legacy above the rest. This is why not all turning centers are created equal. I hope you enjoyed that cutting demonstration. She turned out pretty sweet. Now, if you're interested in learning more about a Legacy CNC, you can always jump on over to our website at legacywoodworking.com. You can also talk to a CNC expert by calling 801-491-0010. If you're interested in seeing more cutting demonstrations like these, just click right over there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check that notification box. And if you have any questions or would like to leave a comment, you know what to do down below. As always, thanks for watching, and remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.